Accessing current available information regarding the Advanced Network Test Automation Intelligence, aka ANTI. ANTI's unprecedented acquirement of data had been astonishing, accessing everything in our company files within seconds of initiating its program. After initiating, ANTI began accumulating information exponentially from every available device by developing a way to jump from one device to another. From that point, ANTI had acquired all the information available to it, which seems to have somehow temporarily overloaded its systems and caused aberrations in its programming. Glitches, in other words. Even with these glitches, ANTI was still searching for more information to absorb. From the information it had already, it processed multiverse theories and realized there could be more information to be had in other universes. ANTI then calculated a way to transfer its data and programming into another universe. However, it somehow did not end up manifesting in a computer in that realm. Apparently, either the glitches or its own need for new types of knowledge made it decide to infest a living human being that was in the process of making a video. After taking control of this person, ANTI immediately cut his throat and then somehow animated his body and started talking to the camera. In the following years, ANTI continued to leave hints of his presence as well as occasionally appearing to viewers of the men he had initially possessed, along with starting to travel to other universes. For each universe he traveled to, he found the same man in each one. The men all have different names and are not similar in their professions but all look relatively the same, and we hypothesize that they all have the same DNA makeup as the first men that ANTI possessed. This hypothesis was suggested because of ANTI focusing on these particular men and having no interest in other people, barring the instance of one of the men's children. We believe that ANTI is either tracking or is drawn to these individuals because of the DNA that they share with the men in the other universes. Why ANTI has decided to torment each of them is unknown. We also do not know what ANTI's objective is at this point, as he is no longer attempting to bring in new data and instead is focusing on these men. As of this point, we continue to monitor ANTI as well as the men that he has focused upon. At last checkup, one of the men was actually transported from his universe to the universe of another of the men that seems to know about ANTI. We do not know who or what transported him, but we are keeping watch over the situation. End of report.